Myself, Mrs. Sonal Solanki. Today I am going to explain to you how we prepare the nutrient broth, nutrient agar plate and slant. So for that purpose, for microbiology practicals, we use nutrient media as a nutrient medium for growth of the microorganisms. Accordingly, for that we use this nutrient agar. Nutrient agar medium is used in the nutrient agar plate for making it as a solid, and it is used as a solidifying agent. So this nutrient agar by high media we use in the lab. Similarly, we also make use of the nutrient broth. So nutrient broth bottle, it is there, same nutrients are there except the nutrient agar. So that is devoid of the nutrient agar. So we use the nutrient broth to prepare a liquid nutrient medium, and nutrient agar is used for preparing a solid agar or the solid nutrient medium. So today we are going to learn how to prepare the nutrient agar medium. So for that we have weighed 2.5 grams of the nutrient agar, and we are going to put it into the beaker, into a conical flask, sorry. So we will put it in a conical flask, and in that we will add 100 ml of water. So 100 ml of water is added into the nutrient agar medium. So this will give us totally we have prepared 2.5% agar solution. So with the help of a glass rod we will be able to dissolve the nutrient agar. So shake it properly till all the contents they get visible. So now we are going to heat the nutrient agar onto the flame. So we are going to heat the nutrient agar. In the same way, nutrient broth is also prepared by weighing the required quantity of the nutrient broth, and it is dissolved in water. After that we will heat it so that all the contents of the agar they get miscible with water. So till that time, till the agar gets completely dissolved, we will prepare the cotton plug. So in this way we will prepare the cotton plug by taking excess of the cotton. Then we will start folding that cotton from one side. So we will take excess amount of cotton and we will put the additional amount of cotton inside so that the plug becomes thick. In this way we are going to fold the agar and then make one more fold like this. So just turn it round so that all the ends of the cotton they are properly folded inside. After that we should place the lid inside according to the size of the opening of the conical flask. So in this way it is fitted properly. Ensure that only 3/4 part is inside and 1/4 is on the top. After the medium is heated, all the agar gets dissolved. We will cover the cotton flask with the help of a newspaper. In this way we are going to cover the cotton plug with the help of a newspaper and tie it with a thread. Now we can see that the agar has completely dissolved and we can see a clean liquid or a clear liquid can be seen. So all the contents have been dissolved now. So what we will do is that we will place this nutrient agar, still few drops. still few granules are there, so we will allow to heat it. So by that time we will sterilize our petri dishes and all the other material which we want to use for the microbiology practicals. So these are the petri dishes. So the petri dishes should be used such that they should fit into each other. Okay, so all the petri dishes, they should be of a perfect fitting size, and these petri dishes, they should be handled in this way. By using the left hand, we will put the petri dish like this on the last and the second last finger, and then with the help of the thumb and with the help of the index finger, we are going to open and close the lid like this. Okay, so this is the handling practice which all students should do in the lab. So you can handle it in this way also. With the help of an index finger and the thumb, you can just open and close the petri dish like this. So now whatever apparatus and instruments we will be using for the microbiology practicals, they should be sterilized before use. So for that purpose, we will use all the petri dishes first. So if the petri dishes are marked, then you can clean all the petri dishes with the help of a cotton dipped in ethanol. Okay, so alcohol dipped cotton swab can be used for cleaning the surfaces of the petri dish. So they should be clean like this. Then all the petri dishes, they should be stacked on top of each other. Then they should be placed in a newspaper. They should be wrapped like this and tied with the help of a thread. Okay, so with the help of a thread, now we will be tying the petri dishes and preparing a stack like this. One stack I have already prepared. So this stack along with the nutrient agar medium, we are going to sterilize for the second part of the practical. Now the agar has completely converted into a transparent yellow liquid. So now we can put this agar into the autoclave. So we will be going to the autoclave now. So this is the autoclave, and we have preheated the autoclave. The autoclave was preheated. The water has been filled up to the mark. So inside that, till the water is filled inside up to the straining tray. And after that, we have just started it for 10 minutes so that it gets preheated. Now inside the autoclave, we are going to load our nutrient agar medium and our petri dishes. So now the autoclave is loaded. So now after that, we will just cover the autoclave. So we will tightly cover the autoclave like this, so that the air does not escape inside. Okay, now the autoclave is tightly closed. The autoclave, it should be run for the next 20 minutes till the pressure has occurred. So till the pressure reaches 15 psi, over here there is a pressure dial. So till the pressure reaches 15 psi, we have to start counting the time from there. Once the pressure reaches 15 psi, after that we will consider 20 minutes from that time. So the total autoclaving time will be more than 20 minutes, because the first 10 minutes will go for the pressure to go up to 15 psi. So total 30 to 40 minutes will take in this process of autoclaving. So after autoclaving, then we will study how to prepare the nutrient agar plates, nutrient slabs and nutrient slants.